Today I have enemies avoiding collisions with each other. So yesterday I had mentioned that I wanted to do fire and maneuver, so I was saying the enemy should shoot and then move sideways a little bit because they should know that that's where the player is about to shoot next. So I haven't done that yet. Oh, by the way, this is a posture corrector. I'm not sitting down on the backpack because that's for nerds. And so I'm staying in the center here just to show you that in order to get the enemies to bunch up together, and they did start moving away from each other. Now, I'm not in invincible mode, so I will have to dodge these laser beams, but I'll stay as close to the center as I can just to get these enemies to bunch up close to each other. And we saw that one green one at the top turned away. They're turning away from each other, turning away from the player. And so we haven't seen any enemy collisions yet. Whereas if I had, in the old version, there would have been tons of collisions when the player is just staying in the center like that. And now I'll show you what it's like in some more realistic gameplay where I'm moving around as much as I want. And hopefully we won't see any enemy collisions. We're still seeing friendly fire. So the enemies don't know how to lead a target. So it's just, if it's aiming within 10% of an enemy, it won't fire. But if that enemy is on course to collide with the bullets, it's not going to know about that. So so there we saw that blue one turning away from another enemy, and then when I killed that enemy, that ship turned back towards me. So, didn't get any enemies colliding with each other, but I think the enemy movement still needs to improve. I think we do still need the fire and maneuver, where after the enemy shoots, it should move sideways, because it's just a little bit boring to have all the enemies converging on you at once. It looks a little bit unrealistic, and to have them, see how they all turn at the same time? That's a little bit weird. And then, I think I might have a minimum range at which the enemies start shooting. So, in other words, if the ships are within the top 1/3 of the screen or so, they'll just fly straight down and they won't be aiming at the player yet. So, yeah, that's it for today. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you later.